Hey guys, welcome to Tip of the Day. Today's tip is the screen recording feature. Let's go and check it out.
This feature has been implemented in this version and it helps to capture and share our view to others. Now we are going to see how to use that. It can be accessed only through the control center. By default, it will not be displayed on the control center. Now we are going to see how to add that. Going to settings and moving to control center and then moving to customize controls. We have some options there. There we can see screen recording. We will add that and we are added to the control center. And now we can see an icon is added. That's the screen recording icon. By long pressing on that, we have moved into some other settings, and by default the audio recording will be off and we'll turn that on. When we press on that icon, the recording will be started. We can see the status bar has turned red. That indicates the recording is going on, and now we are recording some screen recording, and by clicking on the status bar we'll get a stop pop-up. By clicking on stop, we'll stop that. It's very simple and easy to convey.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.